Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 280 SLX from Sea Ray. So starting in the back of the boat, you've got a real nice big lounger here. Nice pass-through storage under that cushion that'll go all the way into the boat. You've got a cooler under this seat, as well as your drop-down swim platform. A really nice walk-through over here. Easy access to your chargers, and also a wash down here in the back as well. So coming on in the boat, you'll have a ton of seating here in the cockpit, ton of storage as well. It's going to be all nice and hinged, so easy access to put all your stuff away. You've got a table base right there on the side. Comes with a nice big teak table. Cooler storage under this seat, and then if you look above me, you'll have your Fusion tower speakers along with your SLX tower. So this is power, and it'll articulate down. And then new for this year is the extended sunshade for the back of the boat. So taking a look at our dash, very clean. You'll have two 12-inch Simrads that's going to control your boat, everything from lights to switches. It's going to have all your GPS navigation, and we'll have all your engine info on there as well. On the port side, you'll have a nice step-down head. It's going to be vacuum flush, so it's going to work just like your house. Very easy to use and operate. Working our way up to the bow, it's huge, spacious. You'll have cup holders conveniently placed, storage under all your seats, drop-down armrests. Just a very big, spacious, comfortable bow from Sea Ray. And then last is going to be your drop-down windlass anchor. That's huge out there when you just want to hang out for the day. So again guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas. Thank you for watching. This was a Sea Ray 280 SLX.